Oh, sorry, and bullets. Bullets, we have Mataa. So it's Mataa. Same sort of use it in a sentence. He Mataa ke a koe. Do you have any bullets? And I can say, he aha te Mataa, what kind of bullets do you want? And you can say he Mataa iti, which is your small bullets. Not the small balls, the small bullets, which is for your pistol, your SMGs, or shotgun bullets, the Mataa huata, or AR bullets, which is our medium, as Mataa wainga, and our heavy bullets, which is for our snipers and all of that type of stuff. That's Mataa nui, the Mataa nui, the big bullets. So yeah, just sharing those kupu with you, whānau.